How to apply for a refund on AliExpress. Hey everyone, today I'll be showing you a quick and easy way to apply for a refund on the AliExpress app. So let's say if you have ordered something but you don't want it anymore, you're going to have to cancel your order. To find your order, tap on the account icon at the bottom right, and then just head over to My Orders from this page. Now on all orders, you will find the list of items that you've previously ordered. All you have to do is now just tap on the order, see its details, and if you don't want the order, you can just scroll down and then instead of this add to my pigs, you'll have an option to cancel the order and request for a refund if you've already paid for it. And once you request for a refund, the order will be moved to your refunds or returns tab right here on the orders page. And you just have to wait for a bit. And if you have any more questions, you can tap on the headphone icon at the top of your screen right beside the search bar to head over to Help Center and then contact AliExpress's customer support. And all you have to do is ask for your refund to them or just ask for their assistance. Just follow their instruction and you should be able to get your refund from there. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.